How to make negative numbers red and positive numbers green in Excel. Want to make your Excel numbers easier to read? In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to change negative numbers to red and positive numbers to green. Method 1. Use format cells. First, select the cells that contain your numbers. Then, press Ctrl and 1 keys to open the Format Cells window. Go to the Number tab and select Custom. In the Type box, enter this custom format. Click OK. Now, positive numbers are displayed in green, negative numbers are displayed in red, and 0 remains unchanged. Method 2. Use Kutools AI. First, you should download and install Kutools. Select the cells you want to format. Then, click Kutools tab. Click Kutools AI. Choose AI Aid. Kutools AI Aid pane will open. Enter a simple instruction in the chat box. Then, click Send button. Kutools AI will analyze your request. After analyzing, click Execute button to apply the formatting. Now Excel will show positive numbers in green and negative numbers in red. Kutools makes Excel work faster, smarter, and easier with powerful tools, AI features, and batch processing. Like this Excel tip. Don't forget to like and follow for more useful Excel tricks.